Welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC Physics Exam Revision Series, we have here this one WAEC repeated question to answer on the topic conservation of energy. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, let's go ahead and start with this question here. It says, in an elastic collision, momentum is conserved as well as A. Speed, B. Potential energy, C. Velocity, D. Kinetic energy. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's kinetic energy. So in an elastic collision, kinetic energy is not lost, and then momentum is also conserved. And that's it for this question. So option D is the answer to this question. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on WAEC examination. So this will help you a lot even as you prepare for your WAEC examination for the year. You can join this community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.